Let's solve this together. It says 7 raised to the power 3x plus 4 is equal to 1372. We are required to solve for the value or values of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, you can say that the multiples of 1372 include 7 times 7 times 7 times 2 times 2, okay? So this is equal to 7 raised to the power 3 times 2 squared, okay? Moving on from here, this now can be written as, so we have 7 raised to the power 3x. Now, when you have plus in indices, it means multiplication. So we multiply by 7 raised to the power 4, and this becomes equal to our 7 cubed times 2 squared, okay? Now, we can divide both sides by 7 raised to the power 4, so that we have here divided by 7 raised to the power 4, and this divided by 7 raised to the power 4, okay? 7 raised to the power 4 strikes us on both sides, so that we're left with 7 raised to the power 3x to be equal to, now 7 raised to the power 3 over 7 raised to the power 4 is equal to 7 raised to the power negative 1, okay, times 2 squared. Alright, now at this point, we can say let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we say the logarithm of 7 to the power of 3x is equal to the logarithm, sorry for this, the logarithm of 7 raised to the power minus 1 times 2 squared in brackets, okay? Now, for this logarithm, we take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 7. So we take the logarithm in the base of 7, okay? Now, taking the logarithm in the base of 7, when you have log of 7 to be 7 raised to the power 3x, you change this into 3x multiplied by log of 7 in base 7 to be equal to, now in this place you split it up and put plus. So we have logarithm in base 7 of 7 raised to the power negative 1 plus logarithm in base 7 of 2 squared, okay? Now moving on from here, we can say that logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So that we have 1 times 3x to be 3x, and this is equal to minus 1 multiplied by logarithm of 7 to base 7 plus logarithm of 2 squared now can be written as 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 7, okay? Now, we have logarithm of 7 to base 7 again striking out, okay? So we have 3x to be equal to minus 1 plus 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 7. Hence, our x here becomes equal to, now we can change this to be equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 7, now minus 1 over 3. Okay, so this is our x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made this to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.